Dear viewers, we have one more problem from straight lines. Important, very short answer questions. If the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to a, where a greater than 0 is 6 square centimeters. Find the value of a. You see all of you? One more, this problem. If the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to a, where a greater than 0 is 6 square units, find the value of a. So first you have to draw the line. So you see this is the y axis vertical line, this is the x axis horizontal line. Here this is y is equal to 0 is x axis and x is equal to 0 is y axis. So y o y dash x o x dash. So this is y is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and the line given you see this is the line given 3x plus 4y is equal to a, and area of the triangle OAB is given. This is area of the triangle OAB is given. Area of the triangle is 6 square units is given. Then we have to find the value of A. Okay, all of you. So first you have to write the given equation, given straight lines. Given straight lines or given lines. What is the given lines? 3x plus 4y is equal to a, equation 1, and y is equal to 0, equation 2, and x is equal to 0, equation 3. Okay, all of you. Then you have to find these lines form triangle OAB. OAB. Then from this equation, from equation 1, you have to write 3x plus 4y by a is equal to 1. This is 3x by a plus 4y by a is equal to 1. This is implies x by a by 3 plus y by a by 4 is equal to 1. So x intercept is a by 3, y intercept is a by 4. Then what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle OAB. OAB is equal to half base. This is the base, x intercept. So a by 3 into modulus. This is a by 4. Height in a by 4 is equal to given 6 square units. A into a square by 12 to the 24 is equal to 6. From this you can write a square is equal to, by cross multiplication, 3 to the 12, 12 to the 24. So 6 into 24, this can be written as a is equal to root over 6 into 6 into 6 for the 24. So this is 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, what we can written as a value is 12 units or 12. A value is 12. Okay, all of you. That's all. The a value is which is greater than 0. A value is 12. 12. A value is 12. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here, question number 7. One more problem from straight lines IPE. Straight lines IPE. Very short answer question. Find the perpendicular distance from the point. First one, 3 comma 4 to the line 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Second one, minus 3 comma 4 to the line 5x minus 12y is equal to 2. You see, all of you, this is the point Px comma y, and this is the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The perpendicular distance from P to the line L. OP is the perpendicular distance. OP is the perpendicular distance is equal to what? Modulus A, this is x1 y1 you take, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square is the perpendicular distance from the point to the given line. From the point to the given line. So here what is the point here? First problem P point 3 comma 4 and given line 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0 is the given line. Then perpendicular distance from P 3 comma 4 to the line 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0 is equal to 3 into 3 modulus minus 4 into 4 plus 10 by root over x coefficient 3 square plus y coefficient 4 square is equal to what? Modulus 9 minus 16 plus 10 by what is denominator here? Root 9 plus 16. So what is the value? This is equal to 9 minus 9 plus 10, 19, 19 minus 16, that is 3. 3 by, this is root over 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 is equal to 3 by 4 units. So what is the perpendicular distance here? Perpendicular distance is 3 by 5 units perpendicular distance from the point P3 comma 4 to the line 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. You can do this is second problem. So find the perpendicular distance from the point minus 3 comma 4 to the line 3x minus 12y is equal to 2. So this can be, you write 3x minus 12y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, then you have to solve similar to this one. So this is homework, you can write yourself. Okay, all of you, that's all. Dear viewers, we have one more problem from straight lines. Important, very short answer questions, 2 marks. Find the distance between the parallel lines. 3x minus, first problem, 3x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. 6x plus 8y minus 1 equal to 0. And one more, 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. 10x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Third problem, 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. Here, suppose two lines are parallel. This is the line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. And this is the line L1. This is the line L2, ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If two lines are parallel, we have to find the distance between two parallel lines. So distance between two parallel lines is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 by root over a square plus b square. Modulus c1 minus c2, constant terms difference modulus by root over x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. Why? Because if two lines are parallel, their x coefficient, y coefficient, their slopes are equal. Means x coefficient, y coefficients are same. Then we have to write here question number 1. So this question number 1, first one solution. Here we have given 3x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0, equation 1. And here this is 6x plus 8y minus 1 equal to 0. You can take common 2, that is 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. 2 cancel. This is equation 2. Okay, all of you. Here what is here? By comparing ax plus by plus c1, ax plus by plus c2, here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4 and c1 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, all of you, distance between equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 is equal to modulus c1 minus c2 minus 3 minus of minus 1 by 2 by root over 3 square plus 4 whole square equal to modulus minus 3 plus 1 by 2 by root over 9 plus 16 equal to, here LCM is 2, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 2. By denominator, this is root over 25. Root over 25 is equal to, this is 5 by 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel, 1 by 2 units. So what is the distance between two lines? 1 by 2 units. Okay, all of you? This is the question we have. This is the solution we have. That's all. Thank you. Similarly, you find a solution to this one. So here you can take common 2. Then after you have to write the solution like this. But this is for this one, you see here for the third problem you need not to take common. This is C1, this is C2, this is A and this is B. Okay, directly you can find the distance between two lines. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Dear viewers, we have one more problem from straight lines. Important, very short answer question. Find the ratio in which the straight line 3x plus 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Divide the line joining the points 0, 0, minus 2, 1. State whether the points lie on the same side or on either side of the straight line. Okay, all of you. Here you see these are the 2 points. This is the line. This is given 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So here suppose this is the A point, this is the B point. So this line L divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So you can given line equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, and also points, let points A 0, 0 and minus 2, 1 B point. Let P x1, y1 divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So this is the point on line L. It's divided lambda is to 1, AB in the ratio. This is the point P. So here you take coordinates of P. Coordinates of P x1, y1 equal to, this is let us you take this as x, y, and this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. What is the formula? Section formula you write mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. By using section formula, you have to find the coordinates of P, that is lambda into x2, that is lambda into x2, that is minus 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 by lambda plus 1. Okay, all of you. Then lambda into y2, lambda plus 1 into 0 by lambda plus 1. So here you can write minus 2 lambda by lambda plus 1 comma lambda by lambda plus 1. This is the px comma y is on, that is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the point P is on the line given 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Then you have to substitute this point on that line. So here this is implies what is remaining 2 into minus 2 lambda by lambda plus 1 plus 3 into lambda by lambda plus 1 lambda by lambda plus 1 again minus 5 equal to 0. Here total LCM lambda plus 1 minus 4 lambda plus 3 lambda minus 5 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. By cancellation this one minus 4 lambda minus 5 lambda minus 9 lambda plus 3 lambda minus 6 lambda minus 6 lambda here minus 5 equal to 0 implies minus 6 lambda is equal to 5 lambda is equal to minus 5 by 6. What is the ratio? Lambda is to 1 is equal to minus 5 by 6 is to 1 equal to minus 5 is to 6. So what is the ratio? Minus 5 is to 6 ratio. Then it is the divide externally. The line divides AB in the ratio 5 is to 6 externally. Why? Because it is the negative ratio is there. Then we say it divides, P divides externally AB. Okay, all of you? So you say it is divides externally means what? Externally means the line, the 2 points AB on same side. So here two sides, 2 points A comma B. A point is what? 0 comma 0 and B point is minus 2 comma 1 are in same side. Or you can find second method whether these 2 points lie on same side or not. So this is the line L is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So L of 0 comma 0 you find, that is 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 5 equal to what? Minus 5. L of next minus 2 comma 1 you can find, that is 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 5. This is minus 4 plus 3 minus 5. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Which is less than 0? Which is less than 0? Then L 0 comma 0 and L minus 2 comma 1 is same sign. If these two are same sign, then we say 2 points are only one side. That is, if the line is there, these 2 points are one side. Okay, all of you? That's all. So this is the second method, or you can follow this one. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here we have the problem from straight lines. Transform the following equations into slope intercept form. Normal form. So transform following equations into slope intercept form, normal form. Suppose we have the line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is the general line equation. Okay, so what is the intercept? What is the first one? Slope intercept form. So you can write y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. Intercept form. Second one, what is intercept form? That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is intercept form. Next, normal form. Normal form. That is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the normal form. Slope intercept form y is equal to mx plus c. Intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the normal form. Okay, all of you. First, you can take this one. First one, this is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. First one, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. That is y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is the slope, c is the y intercept. So you can take x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. You can take into this side x plus y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus x minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1 into x plus of minus 2. What is m here? M is equal to minus 1. Y intercept is equal to minus 2. So this is the y is equal to mx plus c slope intercept form. Okay, all of you. Next one, you take intercept form. Intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the intercept form. So you can write x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 implies x plus y is equal to minus 2. So x by minus 2 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1. Here this is in the form of x by a plus y by b. You can take into this side, then x by minus 2 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1. X intercept. Intercept a is equal to minus 2. Y intercept. Intercept b is equal to minus 2. This is the intercept form of the given line equation. Okay, all of you. Next, normal form. Normal form, that is normal form. Normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the normal form, where p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given line. Origin to the given line. So you can write this as x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is implies x plus y is equal to minus 2. First, you can write r value. R is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. X coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So, you have divide both sides with r, that is x plus y by root 2 is equal to minus 2 by root 2. This is implies x by root 2 plus y by root 2 is equal to minus root 2 whole square by root 2. Root 2, 1 root 2 cancel. Then what we can written as here? Then what we can written as here? You see. Then what we can written as here? That is x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2 is equal to minus root. Okay, all of you. Then what is 1 by root 2? In cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2 implies cos alpha is equal to cos pi by 4 implies alpha is equal to pi by 4. Similarly, sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 2 implies sin alpha is equal to sin pi by 4 implies alpha is equal to pi by 4. Then this can be written as x into this is cos pi by 4 plus y into sin pi by 4 is equal to minus root 2 is the normal form of the given equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, all of you, that's all. Similarly, you can do second problem, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. You can do yourself. This as homework. We can do this problem, that is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So third problem is what? Third problem root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So third problem root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Then here first one is what? Slope intercept form. First one, slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, all of it. This is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. You can take into this side. Y is equal to minus root 3x plus c. So m is equal to minus root 3. C is equal to 4. This is 4. And slope is equal to minus root 3. And y intercept is equal to 4. Okay, all of it. Next one is intercept form. So intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the intercept form. Then root 3x plus y is equal to 4. This can be written as root 3x plus y by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. 4 cancel. Root 3 by 4 x plus y by 4 is equal to 1. This can be written as x by 4 by root 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Means here this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X intercept a is equal to 4 by root 3. Y intercept b is equal to 4. Okay, all of you. This is the intercept form, slope intercept form of the given line equation root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Then after normal form. What is normal form? Normal form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the normal form. This is the normal form of the line equation. So this is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Here first we have to find r value. R root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. X coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. R is equal to root over square root cancel, 3 plus 1 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. R value. Then you have to divide this equation with R, that is root 3x plus y by 2 is equal to 4 by 2, implies root 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 2 to ja. This is 2. Okay, all of you. Here, root sin x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. You compare with this one. Here, cos alpha is equal to cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to cos how many degrees root 3 by 2? Cos, this is cos pi by 6 degrees, that is 30 degrees. So both are positive. This is root 3 by 2 positive, 1 by positive. Means cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 is positive. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 is positive. Then we say these angles in first quadrant. Then sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2. This is sin 30 degrees, sin pi by 6. Then alpha is equal to pi by 6. Here alpha is equal to pi by 6. Then what is the normal form? X into cos pi by 6 plus y into sin pi by 6 is equal to 2 is the normal form of the equation. Normal form of the given equation root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, all of you, that's all. Similarly, you can do the problem, fourth problem, root 3x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. You can solve yourself. This as homework. Okay, all of you. Here we have the problem, fifth problem, 4x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. We can do the problem. This one, you can yourself, you can try this problem. So here, this is fifth problem. First one, what is first one? Slope intercept form. So slope intercept form. Intercept form. What is? Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, all of you. So this 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. You can take into this side. 4x plus 12 is equal to 3y. 3y is equal to 4x plus 12. Y is equal to 4x plus 12 by 3 equal to 4x by 3 plus 12 by 3. 3 4 ja. So y is equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 4. Then what we can written as slope. Slope m is equal to 4 by 3 by comparing these two. Okay, all of you. What is y-intercept? C is equal to 4. Y-intercept C is equal to 4. Okay, all of you. This is the slope intercept form of the given equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Next one, intercept form. Intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. You can take common cross multiplication here. 4x minus 3y by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. This will 1. Then what we can written as 4x by minus 12 plus minus 3y by minus 12 equal to 1. So minus minus plus, this is 4 3 ja, 3 4 ja. So x by minus 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. This is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So a is equal to minus 3, x intercept. A is the x intercept. B is equal to 4. This is y intercept. Okay, all of you. This is intercept form of the line equation. Intercept form of the line equation. Next one, normal form of the line equation. Normal form of the line equation, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to b. So, given equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. This is 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12, you can write. So, here r value you can find. R is equal to x coefficient plus whole square plus y coefficient whole square. That is 4 square minus 3 whole square equal to root over 16 plus 9 is equal to root over 25 is equal to 5. You can divide both sides with 5. That is 4x minus 3y by 5 equal to minus 12 by 5. Okay, all of you. This is here you compare with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to minus 12 by 5. Okay, so here you see cos alpha is equal to what? Cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 and sin alpha is equal to what? Minus 3 by 5. This is implies 4 by 5 into x plus minus 3 by 5 into y is equal to minus 12 by 5. So, here sin alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5. Here, this is positive in fourth quadrant. This is in the negative. So, this is positive, cos alpha is positive, sin alpha is negative in fourth quadrant. Then you have to find tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. That is minus 3 by 5 by 4 by 5. This one cancel, minus 3 by 4. But alpha is equal to what? Tan inverse of minus 3 by 4. So, here x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to minus 12 by 5. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to minus 12 by 5, where alpha is equal to tan inverse of minus 3 by 4. This is the alpha value, and p normal distance perpendicular distance from origin to given line is 12 by 5. This is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given line equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 is the perpendicular distance. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here one more problem. From straight lines, transform the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 into normal form, where a greater than 0, b greater than 0. If the perpendicular distance of the straight line from the origin p, deduce that 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. You see, given line equation. What is given line equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the given line equation. So, you can write this is into, here AB is the LCM. This is BX plus AY is equal to 1. By cross multiplication, that is bx plus ay is equal to ab. Okay, all of you. This you can change into normal form. That is, what is normal form? normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Where this is P is what? P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. You can convert this into this normal form. Okay, all of you. Here, before that, you find R. R is equal to root over x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. That is b square plus a square can be written as a square plus b square. You can divide this equation with R. That is bx plus ay by root over a square plus b square equal to ab by root over a square plus b square. Okay, all of you. Then this is b by root over a square plus b square into x plus a by root over a square plus b square into y is equal to ab by root over a square plus b square. Okay, here you compare with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. So what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to b by root over a square plus b square, and sin alpha is equal to a by root over a square plus b square. Okay, we want to find here alpha value. What is alpha value? Tan alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to a by root over a square plus b square by b by root over a square plus b square. This one cancel. This is a by b. Tan alpha is equal to a by b implies alpha is equal to tan inverse of a by b. Then what is normal form? Normal form, that is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to ab by root over a square plus b square, where alpha is equal to tan inverse of a by b is the normal form of the equation. Okay, all of you. Then here this is the normal form of the equation of the line, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and this is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. So perpendicular distance origin to the given line P is equal to AB by root over a square plus b square. Square on both sides. P square is equal to a square b square by a square plus b square, square root cancel. So by cross multiplication, this is, you can take into this side, this is 1 by p square equal to a square plus b square by a square b square is equal to a square by a square b square plus b square by a square b square. Okay, all of you. Then b square cancel, a square cancel. What we can written as 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given straight line, given straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, all of you. That's all. Normal form of the given equation and perpendicular distance from origin to the given equation is this. One more problem from straight lines. Important, very short answer questions. Find the value of k if 6x minus 10y plus 3 equal to 0, kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. So, if two lines are given, two line equations are given. So, here let you take L1 is equal to 6x minus 10y plus 3 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Suppose L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. L2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If L1 is parallel to L2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Formula a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. By applying this one, here x coefficient 6 by k is equal to minus 10 by minus 5. Minus minus get plus. This is 5 to ja. By cross multiplication, this one 6 by 2 is equal to k. So this is k is equal to 3. So what is the k value? K value is 3. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here we have one more problem. Find the value of k if 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0, 7x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0 are perpendicular. First problem. Okay, here given that let L1 is equal to 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0. L2 is equal to 7x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0. Here L1 is perpendicular to L2 means that is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Slope of L1 is equal to M1. Slope of L2 is equal to M2 you take here. That is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. What is the slope of this one? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 3 by 7 into what is the slope of L2? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient is minus k is equal to minus 1. Here minus minus get plus. 7 cancel. Minus 3 by k is equal to minus 1. Minus minus plus on both sides. By cross multiplication k is equal to 3. What is the value of k? K value is 3. Okay, all of you. This is the process to find the whether two lines are perpendicular. In that one variable k, one is the k value is there. We have to find the value of k like this. Okay, all of you. That's all. One more problem. Second problem. You see, second problem is similar to first problem. You can do yourself this as homework. Next third problem you see, find the value of k, y minus 3kx is plus 4 equal to 0, 2k minus 1 into x minus of 8k minus 1y minus 6 equal to 0 are perpendicular. So here L1 is equal to y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 2k minus 1 into x minus of 8k minus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. Here L1 is perpendicular to L2. implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Slope of L1 is m1 and slope of L2 is m2. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So here m1 slope of L1, that is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. What is minus x coefficient? Minus of x coefficient minus 3k by what is y coefficient? 1 into here m2. M2 is the slope of L2, that is minus of 2k minus 1 by y coefficient minus of 8k minus 1 equal to minus 1. This is minus into minus plus, this is plus. Then what is? Here 3k of 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 by 8k minus 1 equal to minus 1 by cross multiplication. This is 6k square minus 3k. 3k into 2k, 6k square. 3k into minus 1 minus 3k is equal to minus of 8k minus 1. 6k square minus 3k is equal to minus 8k. This is plus 1. You can take into this side 6k square minus 3k plus 8k plus 5k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, all of you. This is the quadratic equation in k. You can factorize this one. 6k square plus 6k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. That is k plus 1 into this is 6k plus 1 equal to 0. These are the factors. Then we have to write here what is the value. K plus 1 equal to 0. What are the factors of this one? K plus 1 into 6k plus 1 equal to 0 are the factors. 6k minus 1, sorry. This is 6k, this is minus 1, 6k minus 1. 6k minus 1. So, k plus 1 equal to 0 implies k is equal to minus 1. 6k minus 1 equal to 0. 6k is equal to 1 implies k is equal to 1 by 6. So, what is the k value? Minus 1 comma 1 by 6. If you substitute k is equal to minus 1, y minus 3k. Y minus 3k, that is minus 1, that is plus 3k. Y plus 3k plus 4 equal to 0. And this one, minus 1 you substitute here, this one. Okay, k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 1 by 6 are the values of k. Okay, all of you, that's all.